Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are gonna be doing the knockout shuffle. And if you don't know what it is, if you want me to read it to you, I'll can. It's complete in 4-round brackets squad battle. The team with the most eliminations at the end of the round move on. The team that wins the 4 rounds wins the match. Loadouts are randomized for both teams each round. Respawn and ammo regeneration is on and loot is off. Looting is off. And I'll see you guys when we're in the. Hey guys, I'm back. And for some reason my controller's not working. Okay, hello? Hey.
Hello?
Hello?
Check up though. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you have that skin? Join this chat, Thomas.
Hello?
This kid doesn't have a mic though.
Hello?
Go back. It doesn't matter. No. Oh, fine. But I'm gonna die now.
My control, guys, my
Because
controller.
you made me. Ah! Hey! Go back to party. 1 sec. I died. Well. Because.
My controller's not working, that's why I'm a bot. Okay, working again. Hello? 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 I don't think they can hear me. Well, if you ever watch this video, you're in a YouTube video, so you better be happy. You know me. And oh, I forgot to say, please like, subscribe, and hit on notifications to give us good luck. And also, yep, we're never gonna win. And you know what, I'm gonna. And it's hello? 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 I know they can. Hello? If you guys can hear me, you guys now are in a YouTube video. Subscribe if you want to hear their voices and them talking to me, because I finally got my mic to work. Hello. gonna win down. We're moving on. If you guys could hear me. They're not on mute or anything, but hello. If you're talking, I definitely cannot hear you. There's 12 seconds left and it looks like we might win. Or we win if they get 4 kills, 5 kills in the next 6 kills in the next couple of seconds. Round 2. And guys, this video might end a little early. I miss Crash Pad. This guy might win. And so guys, almost got it. Oh, come. No, I have to wait for it to charge up. This is like Crash Pad Island. Because there's so many crash pads, even though they're above me. I haven't done that forever. Got 1. Got 2. And we're winning. If you guys can hear me. That rocket just bounced off. And guys, I haven't died. I don't think I died once. Unless I did die once. I'm different. If you hear anybody in the background, it's just my Nana and Papa. We're gonna win, cause we got 10 kills. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. We're gonna win. but we're making a part 2 of this, and that was just my dad. He was telling me something. So this is the last round. I'll probably. So guys, thanks for everything, but I do have to say hi to my Nana and Papa. We won a lot. And I cannot end the video. Now I can. Bye! Subscribe, like the video, and put on notifications, and bye!